Okay, so I just want to make a quick demonstration here on how to get a journal article out of the George Mason University Library e-journal reserves. You have some articles that are going to be required for the class this semester, and this is just a brief introduction on how to access the library's e-journals to find articles for class or for your own personal use. Okay, so you want to start by going to the library website for George Mason, which is library.gmu.edu. You notice on the main page there's a search bar for finding things in the library, and there are several tabs up top. You want to click on the e-journals tab. This will give you the ability to search the e-journal reserves available through George Mason University Library System. We want to search by journal title, but we could also search by keyword or just look at a list of all the different journals by the title, the beginning letter of the title. But I want to look for Sloan Management Review. We're going to look for an article in Sloan Management Review. So I'm just going to type that in to search for journal by journal title and hit submit. We get a list of the different places where we can go to access articles in electronic form from Sloan Management Review. You may have to log in with your George Mason University password between the last screen and this screen if you're not on a university computer. Now on the left hand side you see a list of different locations where we can go and get electronic copies of articles from Sloan Management Review. You'll notice that it's by date, so it shows you that they have articles between certain dates available at these sources. So this first one has articles between 1998 and fall of 2001 at these two places where we can go to get them electronically. We want an article that is going to be from the spring of 2007, so I'm going to pick this one here, ABI Inform Complete, because it has all the articles from 2004 to present. So we click on that, and that takes us to that database that George Mason subscribes to, the ProQuest database. And now we can find the specific issue we're looking for and then the article within that issue. So we're at MIT Sloan Management Review. We just want to scroll down and find that issue that we're looking for, which is Spring 2007, Volume 48, Issue 3. We click on that. It gives us a list of all the different articles that are in that issue, and we just need to find the certain article we're looking for. We're looking for one called The Future of the Web. So if we keep scrolling down here, there it is, The Future of the Web. Starts on page 48, page 49, Volume 48, Issue 3. So to get a PDF, we just click on PDF full text, and it should open up a copy of that article in our browser. I've already opened it, that's why it's opening to where I had it before. So we see MIT Sloan Management Review, The Future of the Web, and now we have a PDF version of the article that we can save and print out and use as we see fit. Okay, so this is a great resource for all Mason students. You have the ability to access all sorts of articles electronically from great journals for business such as Harvard Business Review, Sloan Management Review, California Management Review, and many more. I recommend trying these out. One thing to note is that when you do go to these different sources, they will look differently. So they're not all going to look exactly like that ProQuest that I just showed. So for example, if I went to the Business Source Complete, and to try to find a copy, it's going to look slightly different. So we can expand lists by year over here and go to volumes that way. So each one of those links is a different database that Mason subscribes to. So it might be slightly different finding them, but the basics should be the same. It'll take you to a certain journal, you find that issue of the journal, and then the article within that issue. I hope that was helpful. See you in class.